Now let's unbox a Digital Juice C-stand. As you can see, I've got some C-stands already built behind me here. This comes in a rather large box. Not too heavy, but if you ever work with C-stands, they're usually pretty heavy. I'm able to unfold this. I'm just going to cut this for ease. It's stapled here, that'd just be easier. So, the way this comes, there are 4 pieces of foam holding this in place. Here's one of the C-stand arms, all wrapped in bubble wrap and taped as well. So I'm going to use a box cutter. Cut that tape. Didn't cut all the way through the bubble wrap. I kind of didn't want to scratch it because these C-stands have this really nice black finish to them. Most I've ever worked with are silver, chrome looking ones. I kind of thought these black ones looked really nice, really classy. So here's one of the arms. Here's the legs, all together but wrapped in bubble wrap that's taped, packaging tape. Very simple cut. Here's an Allen wrench inside of a bag. All right, so for these legs, they come all put together in one side row, which is when if you're putting them away. You do not have to open this up. Right here, you unscrew this to install the main trunk, if you will, the main stand of it. But you can just rotate these legs out until you have them in equidistant angles from each other, so tripods. Very sturdy. And here's that main stand, also wrapped in bubble paper. This one is taped at the end, but it slides off pretty easily. You got 2 ends. It's the thicker side. It's got a little packaging on it, but it's the thicker side that pops into the base. And since I unscrewed this already, I can screw that and tighten that down so it's now hooked to the legs. And then the arm, you attach one bit to the very top. And that's about it. That's it for unboxing this Digital Juice C-stand.